Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kaizen HR account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in www.kaizenhr.my. You will be taken to the website of Kaizen HR. And over here, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button and you will be able to find Employee Login Portal. Click on Employee Login and enter your login credentials. Once you enter your username and password of your account, you should be able to log in into your Kaizen HR account. In case if you find this page where it says that the page has not been found, this means there is some error with Kaizen HR server. To contact your Kaizen HR team through email or through phone number. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.